Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to do a fun little DIY. So I had this idea for a frame for a blank wall I had in my office, and I wanted to do something rustic and industrial, and what better than wood and some galvanized sheeting. So that's what we're going to do today. And as you can see here, my hubby is helping me, of course, because he doesn't let me play with his tools, but I always appreciate his help. I love that we are a team, and it always ends up being very rewarding in the end for us. So right now he's just cutting some wood and also planing it. Who else loves the sound of rain? I had to include this. So here I am just measuring the frames for the pictures that I'm going to use. So this video is a partnership with HP and MagicLinks. They sent me over this Sprocket Plus, and guys, I am in love with this. I could not stop playing with it. It is such a cool little gadget to play with. I love how small it is and how thin it is. It fits perfectly in your purse. You can print out pictures on the go wherever you are, as long as it's charged, and of course you have paper. This doesn't even need ink, which is so crazy. So you can charge it on your computer and you're good to go. So all you have to do is download the HP Sprocket app. They have it in the App Store and on Google Play. So that's what I am doing right now. So while my Sprocket was charging, I started painting the frame, and I love staining, you guys. I say this every single time. But I decided to use a wax brush today because I didn't feel like getting my hands dirty like I normally use a rag, and I get dirty all the time. So I'm just using this wax brush, and it actually worked pretty well. So my Sprocket's charged now, and when the light is white, that means it's ready. So let's have some fun. I was so excited to play with this. I love pictures, and there's so many things you can do on here. You can change the lighting, you can darken it, you can just do the basic editing of photo type of things on here. And I was just having so much fun with this. You can add borders, you can change to a sepia or black and white. I just had so much fun playing with this, guys. I honestly think this is a perfect gift. It's crazy to say that Christmas is around the corner, but it really is. And this is the perfect gift for somebody who loves pictures, who's always taking pictures of everything like I am. I take pictures of everything. So now I'm just connecting it to my Bluetooth, and once you connect it, it is that simple, guys. Oh my gosh, guys, I was so excited when I saw this first picture. I could not believe how amazing it looked. And this is Daryl and I when we were in Montana. We had so much fun. I love printing out these pictures. Most of the pictures I'm printing out today were our Montana photos because we haven't printed them out yet. And I wanted to print out this cute little picture of my nephews. They are so silly. And I also printed out this inspirational scripture that I love so much. And I love this, guys. It's so much fun to play with. You guys will go crazy printing out pictures. When you purchase the Sprocket, you do get a package of 10 photos included, so that's fun, and you can just get started printing right away. So with the HP Sprocket Plus, these photos print out at 2.3 by 3.4. There is a classic Sprocket, which the photos are at 2 by 3s. So this one is a little bit bigger. Also, what's really cool is that these pictures, the paper that it's printed on is sticky based. So you can actually stick these photos wherever you want to. And I just love that there are so many different options with this. I started playing with the borders again. I was just like in awe by how many choices there are. There's so many cute borders. There's also emojis you can put in here, like little, I call them emojis now, even though they're not emojis, they're just little clip arts. And also the menu bar is perfect because you can buy paper on there. You can also connect all your social media to import more photos. And also on your phone, it shows you your battery life and if it's connected, which is awesome. So I decided to print out my nephew's photo again with the full photo because, as you can see, I printed out the square version, which is pretty cool because it does make it look like a Polaroid. But I wanted this to be a full picture versus the Polaroid picture. But look at that. It's so cool. You can have two different options on how it looks. So I'm just printing out more photos, and I could not stop, guys. Like, I was supposed to be DIYing right now, and I could not stop printing out photos because it was just so much fun and so easy. I will link this down below. You guys need to go check it out. I will also leave it in my comment box so you guys can check that in case you guys don't see it in the description box. But look how cute these photos are. I could not believe that they were printed so well with this little printer. It's gonna be in my bag. It's gonna become a necessity. Like, what's in my bag is going to be my phone and my little HP Sprocket for sure. So let's get back to the DIYing. On this wall, I used to have all these motivational quotes. They were cute, the posters, I love them, but I just wanted something else. So here, Daryl is struggling to put the nail in, but he does not want help.
This is the work of 2 DIYers that have over 30 million views. Can't put the nail in.
Thanks, boo.
You're welcome, boo.
So now I'll be working on little picture frames. I decided to go with some washi tape. I love washi tape. I have so much washi tape, it's ridiculous. I wanted to do different things with every frame. I felt like it would be cute to put the washi tape different or to write on the wood. And I love the way it all came out. It just looked so pretty to me. It's very rustic. I love wood, guys. We built so many things, like our coffee table we made, the console table. We also made a dining room table. We made the entry table. We made my desk. So Daryl and I love making things, and this is no different. I love this little board because you can use it with so many different things. You can put a regular picture like that with just tape. You can put little notes to remind yourself. I just love the way this came out, and it was so easy to make. It was so affordable, and I just adore it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this DIY. Once again, thank you to HP and MagicLinks for working with me on this video. And don't forget to go check out the HP Sprocket in the link down below. And don't forget to subscribe if you're new, and also follow me on Instagram at mylovelytexashome. So that's all I have for you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and I will see y'all on my next video. Bye, guys.